What's up, guys? Little Pete here.
Big cut.
Alright, stop right here. Make sure that you go and check out Bormai's video. At the end of this one, we're going to put a link. If you want this video to make any sense, you'll be sure to do that. Now, our boy Bormai had the right idea on the first couple of steps.
Yeah, we need to be going out and talking to girls.
That's right, not a nerd recluse. So allow me and Cut here to go ahead and take you guys on back to school. That's right, nerd school.
First lesson of today, not all girls like Star Wars.
So who you gonna trust whenever your girl don't like Star Wars? This stud?
Or these studs.
So be sure to open your eyes and ears and pay attention. Don't miss these next couple of steps.
First lesson, drop a smooth line like my name may not be Scotty, but I can beam you up.
Since we guarantee this to be a foolproof plan, we're gonna go ahead and give you the next step after getting those lady smooches.
Invite her up to the bridge and let her sit upon your captain's chair.
No, 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 no. Get your mind out the gutters. Not that captain's chair. The one signed by Sir Patrick Stewart. Come on.
Take it from two guys who have all the lady.
Don't you mean ladies?
No, just lady. We just got the one picture.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow these simple steps and you're guaranteed to get
The nerd stamp seal of approval. Alright guys, as always, stay nerdy. And don't forget, bump it.